How to use handheld massage gun HM170. Step 1. Start by fully charging the massage gun before first use. Charging takes around 4 hours. Please note that during charging, the LED lights indicate the battery level. Once fully charged, all 3 lights will stay on. Step 2. Now choose the massage head based on your comfort and muscle area. The spherical head is perfect for arms, thighs, hips and calves. The conical head targets specific pressure points. The U-shaped head is ideal for the neck and spine area. The flat head is great for overall muscle relaxation. Step 3. Choose the head as per your requirement and press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to switch on the device. Step 4. Tap the power button once to increase the intensity level and use it as desired. The massage gun supports up to 6 intensity levels for a personalized massage experience. Step 5. To switch off the device, press and hold the power button again. Please note that the device will automatically switch off after 30 minutes. For cleaning and maintenance, wipe the product with a soft dry cloth, then store the massage gun in a cool, dry place. Avoid using the massager while it is charging and keep each session limited to up to 10 minutes. Thank you.